Can you really make serious money on YouTube without ever showing your face? The answer is absolutely yes. Imagine pulling in over $20,000 every single month from a faceless channel. Sounds too good to be true? It's not. YouTube offers endless opportunities to make a full-time income, even without the need to appear on camera. There are countless successful channels such as Chris Invest, Oversimplified, or Solo Travel that generate substantial revenue by simply sharing valuable content using stock footage and providing voiceovers. Let's join me and explore 5 YouTube channel ideas that could potentially allow you to earn money just like top channels that make thousands of dollars each month. After watching this video, you will be inspired to start creating right away and make thousands of dollars even before being fully monetized through YouTube's partner program. Let's get started! The health and fitness industry is worth over $22 billion, and the demand for related content is definitely on YouTube too. Fitness channels share workout videos that have millions of views. But that's not the only popular content. Profitable topic can be wellness tips, nutrition knowledge, and supplement routines. From workout routines to healthy eating tips, viewers are always interested and looking for ways to enhance their health. It means this is one of the most thriving niches that is popular and attracts a large audience base. Here's an example. The YouTube channel Body Hub uploads health-related videos without ever showing their face. According to Social Blade, the site that can track YouTube channel statistics, this channel gets an impressive 2.4 million views per month, which could translate to $24,000 in ad revenue, which is far more than most full-time jobs. The best part? You can create similar content using free video editing tools like Shotcut, HitFilm Express, or OpenShot. For voiceovers, you don't even need expensive equipment. Your phone's microphone could suffice, or you could invest in an affordable microphone. Next, we have personal finance. It is one of the most profitable niches on YouTube. Many finance YouTubers have shared that their cost per thousand views, or CPM, is much higher on ads than other niches. Need proof? The channel, called Chris Invests, focuses on investing in personal finance videos without ever showing his face. It gets an impressive 1.2 million views per month, potentially earning $20,000 to $25,000 monthly from ad revenue alone. If you watch any of his content, you'll notice engaging animations throughout. You might be thinking, wouldn't these animations be super hard to create? The answer is no. They're actually incredibly easy if you use software like VideoScribe or Doodly. These tools handle most of the work for you, allowing you to create animations simply by dragging and dropping icons. Now, you may have noticed that both Chris Invests and Body Hub make similar amounts of money, even though Body Hub gets significantly more views. Why is that? The reason is simple. Topics related to finance, making money online, or investing tend to have much higher revenue per thousand views, or RPMs for short. For those who don't know, this rate determines how much a channel earns per thousand views. The more advertisers competing in a niche, the higher the RPM, and the more money creators like you and I can make. To learn more about the highest paid niches, stay tuned to the end of the video. This idea is perfect for those who love to travel. This content appeals to a broad audience with a sense of wanderlust. With faceless travel vlogs, you can build a community of like-minded adventurers. Even without showing your face, you can visit websites like Us News Travel and navigate to the travel guide section. There, you'll find endless content on various destinations, including travel guides about the best places to eat, the top hotels to stay at, and much more. You can take notes on these destinations, rewrite the information in your own words, conduct additional research on other websites, and compile that knowledge into high-value scripts. Then, you can share this valuable content with the world on YouTube. For example, a channel called World According to Briggs successfully follows this strategy. They create videos about different travel destinations and places worldwide, amassing an impressive 4.7 million views per month. With this traffic, they could be making as much as $19,000 per month from ad revenue alone. To create this type of content, you can just use stock images and videos on places like Vidsplay, Elements, or Pixabay. Suppose you don't want to do voiceover. You can use AI voice generators to save yourself some time and production costs. I highly recommend 11 Labs and PlayHT, as they are the best tools in the market for this task. Another profitable YouTube channel idea is to create educational content, such as tutorials and teaching videos. If you have specialized knowledge, teaching others can be a great method for making money online while enabling you to create content that helps others learn. Let's say you enjoy teaching people how to use different software or websites. Breton Tech is a perfect example of a successful channel that focuses on tech tutorials using screen recording. The channel gets 1.7 million views per month, which could earn $10,000 in ad revenue. Using a free program like OBS, you can record your screen while demonstrating how to use various tools and websites. You don't even need to talk. Many of these channels rely purely on visuals and text to communicate their message. Simple, right? You have made it to the end of the list. My last recommendation is to establish a virtual book club channel. where you discuss and review diverse literary works. For instance, you can provide summaries and reviews of motivational and self-help books. Joseph Rodriguez runs a channel that gets nearly 1 million views per month, and he doesn't show his face in any of his work. Instead, he summarizes various spiritual books using mind maps. They are simple charts for organizing and displaying information, and you can create them using tools like Xmind, Dynalist, or Diagrams.net. What's unique about Joseph's channel is that he focuses exclusively on spiritual books, but think about how many other categories of books exist and how much content in general is out there waiting to be synthesized, summarized, and shared. You're not limited to books either. You could summarize long YouTube videos, podcasts, interviews, or even movies. Create a mind map to present the information, add your own thoughts, and screen record it with a tool like OBS. Just like that, you have a clip and potentially an entire channel that could generate a full-time income. That's my top 5 idea suggestions. If you don't know what to do with your new channel, pick one from the list that speaks to you the most and try to make videos right away. Still, you might be screaming at the screen right now and saying, "Can you just give me the absolute best niches that you personally would pursue if you were starting a brand new channel?" Well, here are the absolute best niches: tech, travel, relationships, happiness, wealth, and health. These are ideal because they offer decent to high RPM, as you can see in this table. Plus, they have high demand, with lots of people eager to consume content in these areas. Even better, these niches offer opportunities for making income beyond YouTube ads, so you can start earning money even before reaching YouTube's traditional requirements for monetization. Typically, you need 4,000 hours of watch time and 1,000 subscribers to join the YouTube Partner Program. However, with these niches, there are strategies to begin earning revenue before hitting those thresholds. I'll explain exactly how to do that in just a moment. Besides these suggestions, I will reveal the best high CPM niches. These can generate more revenue per 1,000 views than most others. Makeup, travel, health, marketing, real estate, finance, investing, technology, make money online, movies, insurance, and cars. You can pause this video and take a screenshot of this table to learn more about the CPM rate of each niche. The reason these niches are so lucrative is simple. They attract more advertisers willing to pay premium rates. To maximize your earnings per 1,000 views, you can leverage websites like Digistore24.com, Clickbank.com, or even the Amazon affiliate program. These platforms allow you to promote products, enabling you to start making money with your channel without having to wait for monetization approval. And there you have it, 5 faceless YouTube channel ideas that could help you earn thousands of dollars every single month. Remember, the possibilities are endless when you focus on creating valuable content, leveraging smart monetization strategies, and staying consistent. You don't need a fancy camera, expensive gear, or even to show your face to succeed. With the right approach, your channel could become the next big income stream, and you can start earning before you're even fully monetized. If this video inspired you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.